pouring. Her kiss is gonna kill you in the morning. No, it ain't gonna end too good. Everything about that night I thought I wanted. Should've come with a warning. Should've come with a warning. Phone just lit up and it's damn near 2 a.m. Ought to be blue lights or some kind of loud sirens saying don't pick it up, she'll let you down. It's a deep end and you're gonna drown. And there's you a text that she sent me right now.